studying basically hydroboration, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we need to do is just make a primary alcohol, and then I will make explain the mechanism. If you have given CH3, CH2, CH2, not CH2, just make it CH double bond CH2, and if you are going to react this with B2H6 in the presence of H2O and then OH minus, 3OH minus, in the presence of, wait a minute, H2O2, 3H2O2 in the presence of base. So what you need to do is very easy. Just remove this and break the bond CH2 and then CH. It will be H here and then CH2H, primary alcohol. Okay. Now I'm going to explain the mechanism stepwise. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Let me switch on my fan. So in the previous class, we had taken CH3,
Yes, I will be back.
CH double bond CH2. Okay. Nadia, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Aman, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm back.
See, I'm going to explain the mechanism. It's a mechanism basically. So if you are going to react to this, so what happens here? Break it and this H will go to the carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen. So it will be like CH2, and this BH will go to the carbon which has greater number of hydrogen. So it will be CH2 BH2. Is that Aman and Nadia, the first is
So your voice is lagging again.
Can everyone see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see. Are you done with this? That means basically, do you get it? The first step.
No, sir. Your voice was lagging a lot, and I couldn't see
Okay.
anything.
See what happens. This is HBH2 whole twice. This bond will be broken, and H will go to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen, and BH2 will go to that carbon which has greater number of hydrogen. Is that clear? So H will come to this CH, this will be CH2, and now basically this will be CH2, and this is CH2BH2. Is that clear, or I should explain it again
No,
from
sir.
starting?
This is
Now
clear.
see, very good. Now you can see this product. I'm going to take it as a reactant. This is BH2. That means, can I write BH and H? And this is reacting with the initial alkene CH2 like this. CH3, CH3, double bond CH2, alkene. So what happens? Again, this bond will break and one of the bond will break. This hydrogen will go to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen, and this BH part will go to that carbon which has greater number of hydrogen. So what happens here? You can see, I'm going to write this first. CH3, now CH2 it will be, and CH2, and this will be attached to this. So it will be BH, and then CH2, CH2, CH2. Because with BH, this group was attached. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Can I write this group as CH3, CH2, CH2, whole twice BH? Can I write this? Because you can see this is same as this. So can I write this?
Yes, sir.
Now see, the next step is very easy to understand. So I'm going to write this again. CH3, CH2, CH2, whole twice, BH. Again, to react this. Again, going to react this with CH3, CH double bond CH. And what happens here? Again, this bond will break and one of the bond will break. Hydrogen will go to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen, and this will go to this carbon which has greater number of hydrogen. So what we have, this is twice basically. So this is basically CH3, CH2, CH2 hold twice, and then boron, and boron will you can see boron will connect with this CH2, and then this CH will become CH2 with the addition of this and then CH2. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Now see, can you see this part clearly that this and this are same? So can I write this as CH3, CH2, CH2 whole thrice B? Can I write this?
Yes.
And then again after this, you are going to react this with H2O, 3H2O2 and OH minus. So what will happen here? B will be replaced by OH, and you will get 3 moles of primary alcohol. This propane 1 hour. Propane 1. So please write it. Should I slide it up?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm going to do it. Let me know when you are done.
Yes, sir. Can you scroll down a bit?
Are you done with this?
Almost, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
Very good. Nadia, are you done with this? Very good. So see, the next preparation is basically, first of all, you should know about this hydroboration because it's very important. So I'm going to write this diborane. That means basically B2H6, or you can see borane is BH3 and whole twice, that means diborane. That means basically B2H6 reacts with alkenes to give trialkyl boranes, to give trialkyl boranes as addition product. It will give trialkyl borane. So in the last step, you have seen CH3, whatever was CH3, CH2, CH2, whole thrice D, that is trialkyl borane. And basically we used hydrogen peroxide to oxidize that. So this is oxidized to alcohol by hydrogen peroxide in the presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide. And you know what is here? Anti-Markovnikov takes place. Anti-Markovnikov. And you know what is anti-Markovnikov? So basically you saw that this is HBH2. When this bond will be broken, this will be the positive part and this will be the negative part. So negative part will go to double bond, go to that wait a minute, go across double bond which has greater number of hydrogen, and positive part to the carbon across double bond which has lesser number of hydrogen. And you know what is Markovnikov? In Markovnikov, negative part of the addendum will go to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen, but in anti-Markovnikov it is opposite. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Let me know when you are done with this.
Done, sir.
Very good. Now see, the next preparation is from from carbonyl compounds. So from the carbonyl compounds, do you know what is carbonyl compound, Aman? Aman, do you know what is carbonyl compound?
No, sir.
So see, the functional group, which is C double bond O bonded, that is called, that all functional group are called carbonyl compounds. As for example, you have seen carboxylic acid. Have you seen carboxylic acid? C double bond OH. This is carboxylic acid, carbonyl compound.
Yes, sir.
Ketone you have seen, this is also carbonyl compound. Aldehyde you have seen, this is also carbonyl compound. You have seen ester, that is also carbonyl compound. Wait a minute. That is also carbonyl compound. And you have also seen acyl halide, that is also carbonyl compound, acyl halide. And all the functional group which has C double bond O, that is called carbonyl compounds. Is that clear? So from carbonyl compounds, so basically in the first, by reduction of aldehydes and ketones, by reduction of aldehyde and ketones. So when we reduce using a suitable reducing agent, we can easily reduce aldehyde into alcohols and ketones into alcohols. Only the difference is that when aldehyde will be reduced, 1 degree alcohol will form, and when ketone is reduced, 2 degree alcohol is formed. You can see if you have aldehyde and you are going to add H2 in the presence of catalyst, presence of catalyst palladium, it will be reduced like this, RCH2OH. You know what happens, what just happened? You know that can I write this as this? Can I write this? So what happened here? One of the bond between carbon and oxygen broken and hydrogen added with this and this. So you can see RC. Now this carbon already has one hydrogen, and you can see one of the hydrogen comes from here. So it will be CH2, and you can see one bonded carbon is bonded to oxygen, and oxygen will have this hydrogen. So in this way, aldehyde reduced to alcohol. Is that clear? Please let me know. Then I am going to introduce the next reaction.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
So please write this. Then I will show you the reaction of ketones. Let me know when you are done with this.
Yes, sir. Done.
Very good. Madhya, you are also done with this. Now see the ketones reaction. Madhya, are you there? RCOR dash. RCOR dash. And if you are going to react this in the presence of basically NaBH4 is a reagent. So what happens? This ketone will be directly reduced to RCOH and then CH and R dash. See what happens here. Since ketone is in between two alkyl groups, that's why it gives 2-degree alcohol. In the previous one, you have seen it was primary alcohol, 1-degree alcohol. Now I am going to show you this part. You can easily understand RC double bond O and R dash. So what happens when you are going to add NaBH4 to this? One of the bond will be broken. H will be added here and here. So you can see R, C, H, R dash and OH. Are you getting my point? So please
Yes,
do
sir.
this reaction CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. And if you are going to add NaBH4, what will be the name of the product? And also CH3, CH2, CHO. And you are going to add hydrogen in the presence of catalyst. What will be the product? Are you done with this?
No, sir, I can't solve it.
Also, it's very simple. You can see this is ketone and this is NaBH4, which is reducing agent. So it will reduce. This is sodium boron hydride. This is sodium SBH. Sometimes it is known as SBH. That means sodium boron hydride. What you need to do is just reduce to alcohols. So what happens? This bond will break and H and all the other parts will be same CH2. Now you can see C and this H will be added to this. So it will be H. Now this carbon it attached with oxygen because one bond is broken. So double bond it will be become single and this hydrogen will be attached with this. So this is basically butane to all. Are you getting my point, Aman?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now you can see basically this is also very easy. Can I write this as CH3, CH2, C double bond OH, and you are going to add H2 in the presence of catalyst palladium. So what will happen here? One of the bond will broken like this, and all the other parts will be same. Now you can see this carbon is already has H, and this H will be added, so it will be CH2, and this carbon is connected with the single bond oxygen, and this oxygen will attach with this hydrogen. So this is it is propanol, propanol. Madhya, Have you got the answer, Madhya?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay. You just understood or got the answer?
No, I got the answer.
Okay. Ayman, do you have any doubt now?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Please write it. Done. Please let me know when you are done with this.
Yes, sir, done.
Very good. Now see, the next preparation of alcohols from carbonyl is that by reduction of carboxylic acid. Always remember this reaction will be reversed also. That means basically if we are using reducing agent for aldehyde to prepare alcohols, we can oxidize alcohol to prepare aldehyde. We can oxidize alcohol to prepare ketone. Are you getting my point? And the next topic is by reduction of carboxylic acid and ester. So we can basically reduce carboxylic acid to form alcohols. That means we can oxidize alcohol to form carboxylic acid. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So see how we are gonna this. So I'm going to write upon carboxylic acids are reduced to primary alcohols like aldehyde, but we need a stronger reducing agent than aldehyde. By lithium aluminum hydride, which is very expensive reagent. Lithium aluminum hydride. That means basically LiAlH4, which is a strong reducing agent, and it is very expensive. We can write a strong reducing agent. Now see, if you have carboxylic acid, it will be, and you are going to use, in the first step, you are going to use LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, and in the second step, water. Then you will get, this will be reduced to alcohol. So if you have given CH3, CH2, COOH, please name the product. You take name of the product. LiAlH4 and H2. That's me. Are you done with this? Are you able to solve it, Aman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the product?
Sir, CH3, CH2, CH2OH.
Can you name the product? Madiha? It's one,
Yes,
two,
sir.
three. That means prop, singly bonded in one all, or we can write propane. Is that clear? Can I move to the next method of preparation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, this LiLH4 is quite expensive. So we have other ways to prepare alcohol from carboxylic acid. If you have carboxylic acid, you are going to dip this in alcohol in the presence of acid. Then what you will get is ester, RC double bond OR dash. Basically, here water will be eliminated, H or OH, and this will be combined with this, and this ester now will be reduced, adding H2 in the presence of catalyst, and this will be reduced. Now see what happens. This bond will be broken. Which bond? This bond will be broken, and you will get RCH2OH. And with this, you will get R-OH. The alcohol which you are going to use in the first step will be eliminated in the last step. You will get again. Are you getting my point? So if we have CH3, CH2, COOH, and you are going to add CH3OH in the presence of acid, you are getting A. Tell me this product. And you are again reacting this A with H2 in the presence of catalyst. Then you are getting B plus C. Tell me the name of this product. So are you reading nowadays, studying NCERT organic chemistry, alcohols, phenols, or not?
Yes, sir.
Have you completed the exercise question of haloalkane and haloaryls, NCERT?
No, sir.
Yes. No, sir. So this is your homework for both of you. In the next class, before studying this chapter, we are going to discuss each and every question of NCERT exercise.
Okay, sir.
No. Please let me know the product A, B, and C. Are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
So have you got this? It will be CH3,
Yes.
CH2, and then COO, CH3. And after this, you will get CH3, CH2, and this will be basically CH2OH. And what you will get with
It's
this, the same
CH3OH.
alcohol. Very. Everyone done with this?
Yes, sir.
Can I move to the next part? Okay. Madhya? Madhya, are you done with this? Okay. Now see the next question. I'm going to give you a question. Give the structures and IUPAC names of the products expected. It's very easy question. From the following reactions. So the first is basically catalytic reduction of butanol. Catalytic reduction of butanol. Please do it. And if you are unable to solve it, please let me know. Very good.
So you get propanol.
Propanol. Propanol.
Yes, sir.
See, catalytic
Propanol.
reduction of butanol, na? It says. See.
Yes, sir.
No, how can it be prop 3 carbon since it is butylasis and you are going to catalytic reduction? That means it will be butanol, not propanol. How can one carbon be reduced? Are you getting my point? This is butanol, na? And
Yes,
since
sir.
this
I
is
was talking about
butanol, we use
the product.
butane one of product is butanol, not propanol. I
Okay.
think what you just said, propanol, right?
Yes. Yes, sir. I said propanol.
Okay, I'm going to give some questions. Aman, why don't you send the test paper in PDF form? Where you have sent in the last test?
Sir, I didn't end it. I just
So,
kept it with me.
no, you should send it because there is a mark sheet that your parents will get every
Okay,
month. At least 4 tests there will be.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Madiha, you have
Yes, sir.
sent it. I got it.
Yes, sir.
So these tests are very important. And in the last chapter, we didn't have that much test, and you also didn't do that NCRT questions. So basically, the homework that is very important. All NCRT exercise questions, each and every question from haloalkanes and haloarenes. We need to discuss it. Haloarenes. And also it's very important for you to do the assignment. Are you completing your assignment? Madiha, are you completing your assignment?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any doubt regarding assignment, you can ask me. And we need to do
Okay,
this
sir.
chapter very carefully because this chapter is very important and it is related to much more like the next chapter. That's why. Please write it and let me know. Then I will write the next question. Are you done with this question?
No, sir. Yes, sir. I'm done with this.
Madhya, are you done with this?
So the last one.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Very good. So please do these 3 questions. I will be back in a minute. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Aman, are you done with this?
Yeah, no, sir, I'm not. Still doing it.
Okay. Madhya, are you done with this?
Sir, I'm in the last. Done, sir. Sir, I'm done.
Are you done with this?
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay, please send it to the WhatsApp group.
Sir, I sent. Sir, your voice is not audible.
Ayman,
Yes, sir.
Ayman, have you done with it?
Almost, sir.